Alright, getting ready to start it up just to show you what I'm kind of getting when I put it in drive or reverse. That does that too. It doesn't want to start right away. It's not a timing issue though. Let it do its cold warm up. Start the good old scanner. Alright, gonna put it in drive right now. Reverse. Sometimes reverse goes in fine, it's not always. But you can see that there's a hesitation in the motor. Now, on the ethos, we got the IACs, etc. Yeah, that seems high for my master airflow sensor. It kind of keeps jumping up. Starting to think it's bad, but not 100% positive because sometimes it's sitting in the right position. Just to show you where it goes on drive. Now down here I get an air fault, but I think it's normal because we don't have an air system pump in here, in this car. The throttle position relief valve is 0.92. The air fault should be to the newer vehicles with the airs, AIRIS, but that's normal on this car to be open like that with a fault. So we don't have that system in this old car. And there's no injections, no faults, not in any injectors. It's in a closed loop system. So that's all I have. I'm going fucking nuts with this damn issue. So if anybody can help, appreciate it.